This takes so long. I have to find another way to remove those. No, I can't grind all of the bolts from every seat. It's gonna take forever. Damn it. What's up everyone, and welcome to my bus. As you can see, I'm sitting down on my school bus that I bought recently, having the project of transforming it, renovating it into a tiny house on wheels. Behind me there's still the seats, and actually that's the first step that I need to work on, is removing all of them. And let me just say, I tried it before taking this video, and it's a very long process. It's a tedious process. I tried many things. I even tried using the angle grinder, and it doesn't really work. It's not super efficient, so I'm gonna have to go back to Google and find a better way to remove them. So I need to find another process. Since I'm alone, it's very difficult, because technically the easiest way would be to have someone under the bus with a ratchet or with another wrench or whatever, and me on inside the bus and trying to unscrew the bolts. That's the easiest way, but it's since I'm doing that alone, well, unfortunately I can't do it, so I have to find another way. Well, turns out I was using the wrong disc. Instead of using a cutting metal disc, I was using a diamond disc, which is used to cut tiles. So this is why it was a pain to cut through the bolts. Alright, so I'm about to remove the second seat. I'm very happy. It took like 10 minutes or so. And now that I removed the bolts from the floor, I still have to remove the bolts from the walls. But to do this, it's quite simple actually. There's two, how can I explain that? Two kind of handles that I need to move left or right. Then it pops up like that, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So right now what I have to do, it's I don't know if you would see something because there's a ton of scrap in there, but there are supposed to be some bolts. Well, bolts are coming on both ways, so I can feel them here. So there's one here, and the other one, as you can see, I already removed the other part, so that's what I would have. And so I just have to remove those. The good thing is those are actually not rusted, or a little bit, so this will be way easier to remove. And I've already removed a couple of those on the other seats, so right now what I just have to do is trying to unscrew them, and I'll be good to go. Alright, first day of demolition done. I managed to remove the first, well, the right row, sorry, of the whole bus. So I did it half in a day, well, mostly in 7 or 8 hours. So it's Saturday today, so hopefully tomorrow is going to be, well, it will be Sunday, but I will be able to remove all of the other side of the bus, and I'm pretty happy. Well, my dad helped me with the railings that is on the floor. So there's still this part left, but there's well, 3/4 of the rails are removed. It's done, thanks to him. So I'm pretty happy about that. It's very nice, and yeah. So I can start imagining what it's gonna look like now that I removed the seats. So it's very good. It's very nice. So right now I'm done for the day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Hey guys, so today it's day 2. Well, it's already the end of the day. I didn't film already. I didn't film anything actually. It's basically the rinse and repeat of yesterday. But I'm fucking proud. I'm fucking proud, and let me show you why. It's empty. Nothing. No seats. I removed everything with the grinder. The grinder works perfectly. It's great. My dad helped me a lot today as well. He also removed the overhead storage. So that's awesome. The only thing that's left are the heaters, and there's some stuff to remove before removing the heaters. So it's a job for another day. So maybe tomorrow, maybe on day 3, but day 2 was successful. I'm glad I've done all of that in 2 days. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm quite confident. The goal is to have the bus ready for winter, this winter 2021, and if all goes well, crossing fingers, it will be ready. So that's it for this seat removal weekend. Again, the angle grinder is absolutely perfect. It's a magical tool to have, and I highly recommend it if everything is rusty in there. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. I appreciate if you would subscribe to the channel. I'll give more and more. I'll create more and more video about the demolition, and then the creation, and then everything related to the bus. And because I have a startup, I'm an entrepreneur. I'll also correlate what it's like to create a company and renovating and building a tiny house on wheels. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.